Next, we will discuss question number 3-4. In question number 3-4, here given the taxi surges in a city consist of a fixed surge together with the surge for the distance covered. That means the taxi surge is what? Fixed surge also along with the distance covered. Surge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the surge speed rupees 105 for a journey of 15 km. The surge speed rupees 155. For distance 10 km, surge speed how many rupees? 105. And for distance 15 km, the surge speed rupees 155. Now what are the fixed surge and the surge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Now here we have to take fixed surge and surge per kilometer. Now we will solve this one sum like this way. Let fixed surge is equal to rupees X and surge per kilometer is equal to rupees Y. According to question, first condition what given? First condition, according to question, first condition, the person have to pay for 10 km 105. That means fixed surge, that person have to pay fixed surge is equal to X. Then how many kilometer distance covered? 10 km. That's why 1 km Y rupees, then 10 km is equal to 10 Y, and total surge speed rupees 105. This one our first equation. Then according to second condition again fixers for 15 km. Fixers, the person have to pay fixers X, and for 15 km per kilometer surge is equal to 15 Y, and total he paid 155. This one our equation number 2. Now from one equation we find the value of X. X is equal to 105 minus 10Y, and this one we naming equation number 3. Now we substitute this one X value in this equation number 2. That means substituting the value of X is equal to 105 minus 10Y in equation 2, because the value of X we find from equation number 1. That's why we have to put the value of X in equation number 2. Now when we put X value, then 105 minus 10Y, in place of X we write 105 minus 10Y plus 15Y is equal to 155. If we simplify, then this 105 we shift from left hand side to right hand side. That means this one will be 105, this side will be minus, and here 15Y minus 10Y is equal to, we can write 5Y, and this one 155 minus 105. That means here 50. This means Y equal to, we can write 50 by 5. That means Y equal to, we'll get 10. We find the value of Y. Now This y value, if we put in equation number 3, then we get the value of x. Now putting y equal to 10 in equation number what? 3. In this equation. Then we will get x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. That means 105 minus 100. This implies x is equal to, we will get how much? 5 rupees. This is, we get the value of x and y. X means fixers and y means how many per kilometer serves. That means fixers, the person have to pay fixers 5 rupees and per kilometer serves is equal to rupees 10. Now second part of this question, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometer? Therefore the person have to pay for 25 kilometer is equal to first one fixers x and 25 kilometer 25 into y. Now x means what? 5. 25 into 10. Why? Because y value is 10 and y means what? Per kilometer serves and 5 means fixers. Now if we 5 plus simplify, then we will get 250 means 255. Therefore the person has to pay how much? Rupees 25 kilometer is equal to rupees 255. This one our answer. Do you understand?